In this video, I'm going to show you the basic of inserting and editing an image in Google Docs. So to insert an image, you have to place the cursor at the very end of the paragraph, and then you want to create a new line. This is highly recommended to make sure the image is not messing around your document. And then go to insert, go to image, and then you can select the image source. In this case, I'm going to be choosing search the web, meaning that I'm going to pull data or pictures from the internet. I will try to find the picture of Tesla, and let's click this picture, click insert. Alright, now we have this picture. If you want to move it around, then you can click and drag the image, but of course this is usually not going to look great because we haven't applied a text wrapping setting for the image. So to apply some text wrapping setting, click on the image and then you can select one of these options. I highly recommend using wrap text because it ensures that the image and the text are visible. For example, if I move this image around, you can see that the text are fluidly changing its location based on the position and the size of the image. Speaking about the size, if you want to change the size, just click on one of these control points and then you can drag that to make the image smaller or bigger. You can make it bigger or smaller like that. And if you want to crop the image, just double click on the image and then you can see another control point to make the image smaller. This feature is quite useful if you don't want to use any third-party software to crop an image. After that, click anywhere on the document to apply the new setting. And of course, you can always double click on the image again to change the cropping setting. Anyway, if you want to edit the image, just click on it and click image options. So these are the features in Google Docs that allows you to adjust the image. So I'm going to go through one by one. This is size and rotation. I think this is quite straightforward. We have covered some of that before. And if you want to rotate the image, you can use this control point to basically rotate the image to any orientation you want. And of course, there is also text wrapping, the same that's available here. There is also position. I rarely use this unless if you want to use it as a background, then you might want to meddle around with this setting. But other than that, it's not something that you want to use on your image. And then recolor is essentially just a filter to the image. You can change it to any taste you like. There is also adjustment to change opacity, brightness, and contrast. Again, I rarely use this. And there is also alt text or alternative text. This will help people with visual impairment to understand the context or what is in the image. You can describe the image in this feature. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can insert and edit an image on Google Docs. I hope that helps.